Another day, another assignment. This is again my work vlog. Today I have this client who is my regular client. She's been getting dolled up from me since last 2-3 years now, and I love it when people show this support and book you again and again. अच्छा लगता है जब लोग ऐसे मुझ पर भरोसा करते हैं and they book me again and again. So this client is very special to me. It's 1 o'clock and I have to reach there by 1:30. I'm going to leave now. I love such cloudy days when there is no much humidity for sure. But it is quite pleasant today. Also ये मेरा go to hair style है, this top knot. तो बाल बंधे होते हैं ना तो काम करने में थोड़ा दिक्कत नहीं होती, नहीं तो बाल बहुत आगे आ जाते हैं मेकअप करते टाइम. I don't like that. So this is my go to hairstyle. I'm all ready, so let's leave.
अनएक्सपेक्टेडली दोपहर के टाइम में भी बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक लगा है. आई होप आई डोंट गेट लेट. हो आई एम ऑन टाइम. आई हैव जस्ट रीच्ड माई क्लाइंट्स प्लेस. दिस इज़ देयर बंगलो. She has 2 huskies and they are very peaceful, I must say. Let's get to work. I have plenty of time as my client is not feeling well, so she needs to rest for a while. So I decided to take few clips of this beautiful blouse. Just look at this blouse work. It is so creative and beautiful. I fell in love with this work. It's been 2 hours that I have reached here, and I think it's time that I get done with my setup. So let's go inside. I am done with my small setup, including ring light, eyeshadow palettes, foundations, blenders and everything I need. I am wearing mask because my client is very sick and I don't want to fall sick because I have bride tomorrow as well. So taking all the necessary precautions. Meet my pretty client. I always prefer getting base makeup done first because hairstyle होने तक base अच्छे से set हो जाता है और natural subtle look achieve होता है. Of course, blending plays the most important part here. I am done with all the blending and now moving on to baking. फेस बेकिंग पे रखते ही हम आई मेकअप स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. बट आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर बेस कितना सटल और स्किन लाइक लग रहा है. आई एम यूजिंग कोरल ब्राउन आई शेडो ऑल ओवर द eyelid and then adding little black on the corner of the eyes to get that smoky eye look. And we are done with the eye makeup. I could take only few bits of makeup, so this is all I have. Next we move to hairstyle. I am going to crimp all her hair because she has thin hair. We have finalized 2-3 hairstyle options, so we are going to try out few. We decided to go for a bun, and for front hairstyle we are either going to do twisting or braid. And the braid wins. We decided to do a braid in the front and it was looking fab. Here is the final look after draping, makeup, hairstyle, accessories and jewelry. Isn't she looking beautiful? She also sent me this beautiful message you can read. Finally, I am done with my work and waiting for my cab, and look who we have here. Met this cute kitten. I really love
So
cats.
guys, I am back and I'm tired. I have vlogged many things today.
अब तक आपने देख ही लिया होगा मैंने कितना और क्या क्या व्लॉग नहीं किया है आज.
So I'm back home और देखो मेरी स्किन कितनी ऑयली हो गई है. So excuse my oily skin. I yet have to wash my face and get freshen up. बहुत ही अच्छा और प्रोडक्टिव डे था और बहुत मैं अभी टायर्ड हूँ. Now I am going to freshen up and sleep. तो आपको कैसे लगा आज का ये व्लॉग, ये कमेंट्स में बताइए. वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कीजिए और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.